This contraption sitting on the roof of Long Island College Hospital in Brooklyn Heights has been the source of bad news for allergy sufferers in the city all season long. That's because the box called the Rotarod Sampler keeps track of all the pollen floating around the area. Chief Resident of the Allergy and Immunology Department, Yudi Prasad, is one of the doctors in charge of keeping the counts every day.
Basically what it does is that we found a very ideal place to place this Rotarod sampler, and it collects the pollen that's in the air, and it spins and it samples the pollen for the day before. So in this way we could take that sample and put it under a microscope and see exactly what the pollen count is.
The only pollen counting station registered with the National Allergy Bureau in the city, Long Island College Hospital is the source where many weather forecasters in our area can find out and then let us know if it's going to be a good day or bad day for allergies. Prasad says the hospital's Brooklyn rooftop is an ideal spot.
This is a central area for a lot of the pollen to disperse to. So what I would recommend allergy sufferers is to check the pollen count every day, see your allergist, find out exactly what you're allergic to. Could it be ragweed, could it be trees, could it be grasses, and then you can work around there to plan your day.
Jin-Hee Lee is a hospital employee and also an allergy sufferer, and says on bad days the pollen counts coming from the rooftop help to verify what she's feeling isn't all in her head.
I think what it does is it sort of confirms what you're feeling, and usually it's later on in the day that you find out, oh, the pollen count was whatever, and then when you realize that it was very high and you say, well, I could tell because my symptoms were much worse today than it was yesterday.
From the top of the roof to down here on the ground, Dr. Prasad says on windy days like today, the pollen counts can be especially high.
I wouldn't recommend someone with allergies to be really going outdoors because you can see it's very windy today, and pollens rise whenever there's wind, and it travels. It could travel 300 to 400 miles even.
LICH also posts pollen counts with the National Allergy Bureau daily. You can find it on the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology's website. To find it, just log on to our site at ny1.com and click on the health report. And to take a look at more health and fitness reports, Time Warner digital cable customers can check out New York One on demand on Channel 1110. In Brooklyn, Kathy Drexel, New York One.